how to enable or disable wireless display certification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search wireless display certification. Scroll down. You will see wireless display certification is here. So if you want to enable wireless display certification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see wireless display certification is enabled. So if you want to disable wireless display certification, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see wireless display certification is disabled. So you will enable or disable wireless display certification from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable wireless display certification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.